Hey everybody, Justin with Lucky 8 Off-Road, and today I've got an interesting one. We're going to do an install video on these louvered wing tops. After I get them installed, I'm going to bring the 90 outside, do a side-by-side video of before and after, and I really want to know what you guys think. Are they cool and they make the car look way more aggressive, or are they just a little too fast and too furious and don't belong anywhere near this 90? I'm gonna get to work. Cue the intro. All right, this one's gonna be pretty straightforward, I think. I've never done the set, but I'm just going off of memory on how these go on. I like to pop the hood a little bit so that you can get your fingers under and come on now, don't make me look bad. All right, there you go. It's held on with a little bit of double-faced sticky tape and a bunch of these little plastic clips. As you can see underneath there really is no holes in the hood or the bonnet that are gonna allow any airflow. So having the louvers opened wouldn't make any sense. And we're still trying to figure out if the louvers do make any sense. I'll bring over the new one, show you how the clips go on it, and pretty much we're gonna snap it in place. So we've got the new one here ready to go, a bag of clips that comes in the kit. I had to clean up this area because it was making me mental. And you'll notice there's these little slots on the back side of the new piece. And these little plasticky clips just slide into the slot. Boom. I'm gonna infill all of those and then we'll snap it in place. Hyperspeed. All right, all the clips are in place. It's really simple. You just wanna align these alignment tabs into the holes, gently set the clips in place. Don't caveman it, just like I always say, never force. Everything's kind of in place. That's simple. I'll do the other side. We'll take it outside and time for the opinions. Hyperspeed. There you have it. Super easy install. Only point of reference is be very careful with those plastic clips. If you break one, no big deal. You got a bunch left over from the panel that you took off. Now I'm dying to hear, does it help the truck or hurt the truck? You guys let me know in the comments. And on that, I'll see you on the next one.